What if one climate event could trigger floods in one part of the world, devastating droughts in another, record-breaking heat across continents, and threaten global food supplies? Scientists are closely watching the Pacific Ocean because conditions suggest that 2026-27 could see a very strong El Niño, sometimes referred to in the media as a super El Niño. If it develops as forecast, its effects could be felt across the globe. In today's video, we'll explain what a super El Niño is, why scientists are concerned, and what it could mean for agriculture, industries, and India. El Niño is part of the El Niño Southern Oscillation, or ENSO. Normally, strong trade winds push warm ocean water toward Indonesia and Australia, while cold, nutrient-rich water rises near the west coast of South America. During El Niño, those trade winds weaken. Warm water spreads eastward across the Pacific Ocean, reducing the upwelling of cold water and changing atmospheric circulation. This may sound like an ocean event, but it influences weather patterns around the world. A very strong El Niño can alter rainfall, temperatures, storms, and crop production on multiple continents. Several climate indicators have raised concern. The Pacific Ocean contains an unusually large amount of warm water below the surface. Trade winds have weakened. Climate models indicate a high probability that El Niño conditions will persist and may become very strong. It is important to understand that forecasts are probabilities, not certainties. The exact strength and impacts will depend on how the atmosphere and oceans evolve over the coming months. Even if it becomes very strong, no single country will experience identical effects. If a very strong El Niño develops, the world could experience. Some regions may receive heavier winter rainfall and an increased risk of flooding. Countries like Peru and Ecuador may experience excessive rainfall, flooding, and landslides. Large areas could face drought, water shortages, and an increased risk of bushfires. Indonesia, Malaysia, and nearby regions may experience prolonged dry conditions and forest fires. Eastern Africa could see heavy rainfall, while parts of southern Africa may suffer drought. Because El Niño releases additional heat from the Pacific Ocean into the atmosphere, global average temperatures often increase during strong events, making heat waves more likely. Agriculture is highly dependent on rainfall and temperature. A strong El Niño can reduce yields of Reduced production in major exporting countries may affect international food prices. Livestock producers may also face challenges due to reduced pasture, heat stress, and water shortages. Marine fisheries can be affected because warmer waters reduce nutrient-rich upwelling, impacting fish populations. India depends heavily on the southwest monsoon. A weaker or more erratic monsoon can affect agriculture, reservoirs, and rural livelihoods. Possible impacts include However, El Niño does not always produce the same outcome. Other climate patterns, such as the Indian Ocean Dipole, can reduce or increase its influence on the Indian monsoon. If you are a farmer, preparation is important. Consider every farming decision should be based on advice from agricultural experts and local authorities. Companies involved in agriculture should prepare for possible disruptions. Areas to monitor include early planning may reduce operational risks if weather conditions become unfavorable. A very strong El Niño is not just another weather event. It has the potential to influence food production, water availability, energy demand, public health, and economies across the world. Forecasts will continue to evolve and impacts will differ from region to region. The best response is not panic. It is preparation, careful monitoring of official forecasts, and informed decision-making. Climate events cannot be prevented, but their impacts can often be reduced through timely action. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, consider sharing it so more people can understand how climate events may affect the world and how communities can prepare.